Hello guys, we are here at the 15th Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, and behind me is a big hot air balloon. As you can see, that people are helping them fuel up the hot air balloon. So here are the videos. Also, we have some paragliders. Back. Wow! Stig. Hello guys, we are here at Marquee Mall in Pampanga, and we're going to the 15th Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Festival. Yay! Video.
Thank you, Trisha.
May dilim na.